Well, hello there, and welcome to the CCBE Conference channel. My name is Sean Craig, and I'm the current president of the CCBE. The Association of Central Canada Broadcast Engineers is an organization run by an executive committee of volunteers from the broadcast engineering community who serve the eastern half of Canada. Our sister association, known as the Western Association of Broadcast Engineers, also known as WABE, serves the western half of Canada. Our mission is to provide technical training to our membership of active and retired engineers, technologists, and technicians in the broadcast industry, including television, radio, and online streaming formats. We do this in the form of an annual career development conference. This would not be possible without the sponsorship of many generous vendors for whom we provide a trade show venue where they can showcase all the latest innovations and network with the technical professionals who would be part of its deployment. The CCBE has been in existence since 1951 when it was organized by Glenn Robitaille, Hugh Potter, and Ron Turnpenny. Unfortunately, we didn't start creating YouTube content until much later. What we have recorded will be posted here for posterity. In the 1980s, we started recognizing members for their achievements, starting with our Engineering Excellence Award, which was given to Stu Clark in 1983. In 1984, we began awarding a bursary in the name of George McCurdy, which is awarded to a second-year student in electronics engineering based on a combination of academic achievement, financial need, and a demonstrated attitude and leadership skills within the student community. Our first recipient was Ian Sharp. The Bob Norton Ambassador of the Year Award is named in memory of its first recipient, who was an icon of the Canadian broadcast community. Bob also has the distinction of giving the very first technical paper at the first CCBE conference back in 1951. And finally, in 2006, we created the CCBE Lifetime Achievement Award, which is given to an individual who made outstanding contributions to the Canadian broadcast community over the course of their career. Our first recipient was Steve Edwards. If you want to find out more about the CCBE, check out our website at ccbe.ca.